Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW 3 or 4 series, guys. And if you need to remove front window on the left or right side, procedure will be identical. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that today, guys. We'll explain how to remove it, how to replace it if yours is broken. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you need to buy any parts too, at a good price and quick shipping for your BMW or any car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We constantly take them apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your BMW or any car, check out the link in the description of the video below, guys. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Check it out. So let's go ahead, start on it now. So what do we need to do first? Right here, this cover needs to come out, guys. Okay, this cover will need to be removed if it has a few clips, so let's go ahead and do that now. So we will start with panel removal 2. Do not do this part first, you're going to start from the top. You have one clip that goes in this angle, so you need to do that clip last, because it needs to kind of like slide towards the front. It's very important, guys, okay, to remember that. So you can see, so we start like that slowly, we pull out slowly, and it came out. Okay, this is the clip that we need to slide. You can see in that spring over here, otherwise it can damage it, guys. Now what do we have here? Here it's a Torx, guys. Torx 25 or Torx 30. Okay, one, both, hard to see. I think it's Torx 25. Let's try Torx 25. Okay, one on top, perfect, and then we'll have one on the bottom. So that's what we're working on now. I didn't see that hole here, that's a little bit disturbing here. Perfect, working on the second one now. Okay, let's go ahead and find it maybe sometime today. Okay, we're going to probably get it sometime soon. Let me see now. Okay, make sure that it's right there. Okay, first time. So we got that one. Now, guys, you have hidden things here. If you remove the door panel, you will not be able to disconnect the window switch. So first we need to go ahead and remove the window switch, and we'll explain, okay, how to do that now. So the window switch, you have 4 metal clips, 2 on this side, 2 on the other side. So we're going to get a plastic panel removal tool. Okay, this is one of the metal clips right there. Let's press this one in. Okay, we might need to get a small screwdriver to push that one in, because I will not be able, guys. Okay, I want to show you where that clip is. It's that shiny little thing right there. So let's go ahead, push that in, only in. Okay, let me get one more tool. 1 second, I need to work with 2 of them. Okay, let's press on the clip now. Okay, it didn't come out. He has one more towards the front too. Let me see where the other one is. Okay, right there. Well, the thing is, it's a little bit of a mess. Whoever designed that thing. Okay, I can see it towards the front there. Okay, we have these 2 clips that we need to press. One here and one on the front. Right there. More a little bit to the front. Right there. Yep. Okay, let's see now. So let us show you now about our window switch. Right here there will be hidden clips. 1, 2, you have 3, 4. but you have a hard time getting them out. You come on the front, if you come towards the front, you lift up a little bit on the front, and it kind of like slides, and then to the front it comes out. One clip here on the front, guys, two on the back. You can see this one just slide out. So the clip that we have on the front, okay, it's that clip, okay, right there. That, I think it was supposed to be that way. Okay, that clip is this way. You're supposed to push it in, this clip on the front, you push that one in, you lift up, then you come on the back, okay, and you slide it back. Now we can disconnect the window switch, okay, like that, press down and pull it out. You can see, just like that, we got it out. So now we shouldn't have any more screws. We should be able to practically remove the door panel with a panel removal tool. We're going to get usually on the front, okay, and you're going to start getting these clips loose. Sometimes when you get your hands underneath, you can start pulling. If a clip breaks, we'll put a link where you can buy replacement clips at a really good price, because sometimes they will break, sometimes they'll be exposed to a lot of heat, guys, during the years, so they can actually break. Okay, this one, we're going to lift up there. You can see it has metal clips here. Pull up more. Okay, that thing will come out. Now we need to disconnect, guys, the cables. You can do it in two ways, from the inner door handle or from here, guys. So whatever is more convenient for you. Here it's very easy. You can just pull it that way, pull it like that. Okay, you can see. And the only thing that we need to do now, here we have one clip. Okay, we need to get a clip removal tool to pull that wire, and that's the window switch connector. You can see how we cannot reach the window switch. Here, oh, careful, this is the light. Okay, this is the light for the door panel, and here, this is the flood, the light when you open on the bottom. Okay, so it can actually illuminate underneath. So door panel, you can see, came out just like that. So now watch now the clips. Sometimes you're going to get those rubber bushings. You need to install them so that way the panel doesn't vibrate and you don't have noises later. If any of the clips comes off, you just slide it out. Okay, if it came off and it's stuck on the door, you remove it and you push it back on the panel. If it's broken, you just replace it with a new one, guys. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get one from. Let's explain where all the clips are located so you know what to expect from the back side of the door panel. Okay, we're missing one thing still here. Okay, let's see if that door has been removed before, because I do not see actually one soft bushing is missing, so we'll need to buy a replacement one here. But starting here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 clips that we have to remove that door panel now. So next thing, we're going to remove that insulation here. Careful not to cut the wires. We'll get a knife. Later I want to show you something. Watch, we cut it, but if we press it later in, it glues together. So this is really good. Let's cut it again here, because I wanted to demonstrate you how everything will attach later. So we're going to just go ahead. If you pull on the foam too much, it will break. Later you have wind noise, heat, cold coming in, insulation will be compromised. So we'll go ahead, guys, okay, do that to the rest of it, and we're going to come back, okay, in a little bit. We just need to do all the way to the front and the sides to clear it all the way, and we'll continue after that. So we're almost towards the end, guys. We're about to go ahead, okay, and open it all the way. Careful not to touch it on the ground or something like that, because if the glue catches dust, rocks, sand, something like that, it will not reseal correctly later. And we're going to go ahead, do the rest of it here, and you can see how much the door opens up. We have a special video that will explain how to make your BMW more quiet. And we'll be doing that procedure to this one as well, because you can definitely hear some wind road noise on this newer car sometimes. So what do we need to do next? Let's go ahead, continue. We'll actually need to go ahead and install our master window switch. So we're installing the master window switch. Let's go ahead, okay, reconnect it. Okay, perfect, just like that one. Okay, let me resituate it now. Okay, so we can see what exactly is happening here, like that. And we go like this one, we close it now. Let's see if we have the ignition on. Yep. Nope, we don't have the key. Let me grab the key quick. Okay, so we can pass it, so we can turn the ignition switch on. Okay, now let's see. Perfect, let's turn the music off, we turn the lights off. Okay, perfect. Let's go ahead and we're going to roll the window down now. We're going to turn the fan and things like that off. Okay, we keep rolling it down, rolling it down. Okay, no, we need to go up a little bit, let's see. A little bit more, a little bit up. Okay, this one is ready. This one, we can access both of them, so we're good. Just like that, we can turn the ignition switch off now. So if you come right here on the window regulator, you have one thing that you need to press in. Now, careful not to press it too much. I need to pass the camera, okay? Careful not to press too much because you can break the regulator. So I'm going to push on it, okay? And I'm going to get the pressure of the window. Push here. Okay, that thing is super tight, guys. Okay, it came out on this side. Now the same thing to this one. Let me show you where it's located. It is right here, okay? Right there, through here. So we're going to go ahead. Okay. Let me see if I can release it all the way, or I can. 1 second, I'm almost there. I just want to make sure that we can clear it. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's just hold the camera good. Okay, I need to just relocate a little bit so I can see exactly. Oh, it came out. That's perfect. Window is loose, guys. Okay, it came out. So we can go ahead, grab the window now. Careful with 2 hands. Grab it. It's going to come out like that. The 2 places where the window attaches is right there. One on the rear, one on the front. So that's how the window came out of there, just you can see, just like that. So you can see, guys, the window came out just like that. Not very complicated. Later when you install it, you just need to make sure you get in the canal correctly in the grooves here, and you're practically ready to go. I will recommend you once in a while clean your, okay, right here, your window seals as well, because you have dust buildup that can scratch your windows as well. If you want to see anything else specifically on BMW 3 or 4 series, let us know. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.